Hey Eagles fans, welcome back to another week of Bird Nerds in Exile, Pickin' Winners with Graham Roach. My name's Rex Ryan.
No.
My name's James Roach.
And my name's Graham Roach.
And here we go with another week of picks. We're actually getting to this late because we spent the week at Grandma's for Thanksgiving. It's Sunday morning before the game starts, so let's rip right in. Last week, we had a pretty tight matchup again. I came out 2 games ahead of Graham, 10-8. Overall score now, Daddy 85, Graham 81. Graham, you got to pick up your game if you're going to make this a close one by the end of the season. What do you think about that? Yeah, always. All right, so sit up tall in your chair so we can see you over the logos, and let's get started with picking games. Which one do you want to do first? Did you say something about the Rams before we started shooting?
Rams.
All right, the Rams are taking on the mighty Cardinals of Arizona. Who do you think is going to win that one?
I like the Rams.
The Rams. I like the Cardinals. Buccaneers versus Titans. Tampa Bay versus Tennessee. Tennessee versus Tampa Bay. Who do you like?
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay. I think I'm going to take Tampa Bay too. Titans got my man Matt Hasselbeck's all hurt. Buffalo Bills versus the Jersey Jets.
Then why Matt Castle all hot?
Well, Matt Castle's hurt too, but I'm talking about Matt Hasselbeck. Matt Castle has a different story, and they're playing tonight. Anyway, Buffalo Bills, New York Jets. Who do you like? Oh boy, you're talking so loud everyone can hear you. Maybe you should talk louder.
Eagles!
No, New York Jets or Buffalo Bills?
That actually changed my mind. Let's start from the Eagles.
Well, we always finish with the Eagles. That's our thing. All right, one more try. Buffalo Bills versus New York Jets. Jets. I am going to take the Bills. Jacksonville Jaguars versus the Houston Texans. Houston or Jacksonville? Graham, let's wrap this up. Houston or Jacksonville?
Jacksonville.
Jacksonville or Houston?
Houston.
Houston or Jacksonville?
Houston.
Which team do you like best?
Houston.
All right, I'm going to pick Houston too. I'll handle the phone. You take care of everything else. Colts or Panthers?
Colts.
I like the Panthers. I don't think the Colts are ever going to win. Cleveland Browns or Cincinnati Bengals? Graham, pay attention. Cincinnati Bengals or Cleveland Browns?
Cincinnati.
I like Cincinnati as well. And Minnesota Vikings or Atlanta Falcons? Atlanta Falcons. Yeah, me too. They're red hot. Seattle Seahawks or Washington Redskins? Sit up tall in your chair again. All right, let's put your toys away until after the show. Redskins or Seahawks?
Redskins.
You said Redskins? I'm picking Seahawks.
No, I think Seahawks.
All right, 2 Seahawks for that one. Raiders versus the Bears. Sit up tall, Graham, please.
The Bears.
The Bears.
Minister.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Back to the old joke house again. What's your next joke? What, are you going to slip on a banana peel?
Whoa.
Broncos Wait, who did you like for that one? Raiders, Bears? I didn't pick one. Bears. I'm going to take Raiders on that one. The Bears have to get used to a new quarterback. I don't think they're in it to win it this week. Broncos or Chargers?
Chargers.
I'm going Chargers too. I don't have the Tebow fever. Steelers or Chiefs? Steelers or Chiefs? Chiefs or Steelers?
Chiefs.
I'm going to go Steelers on that one. New York Giants or New Orleans Saints? This is a good game, Graham. Giants or Saints?
Giants.
I'm going to go Saints.
And I want you to pick the Giants too.
No, because I don't like the Giants, Graham. Donnie likes the Giants. And then the final game, Patriots or...
I know. What team do you want to pick again?
I want to pick the Eagles right now.
What team last in the first place do you want to pick?
What? For the Giants game, I picked the Saints.
I picked the Saints too.
Well, what do you want, the Giants or the Saints?
The Saints.
All right, we got 2 for the Saints. Longest pick ever. And then finally, the New England Patriots versus the Philadelphia Eagles. Who do you like?
Patriots.
Why do you say the Patriots?
Because I hate those Eagles.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, I guess I'm going Eagles then. All right, let's wrap up our picks. Now, Grant, can't you just have 1 week where you're nice to the Eagles? Come on. Hey, Kung Fu Joe. Can you have 1 week where you say something nice about the Eagles?
Every time I say something bad about the Eagles.
Well, why? Why are you so mean to the Eagles? Graham, don't you think they have kids? Don't you think they have kids that cry when they lose?
Yeah.
So you want to make their kids cry?
Yeah.
All right. Me and Kung Fu Joe are signing off. Say bye, Kung Fu Joe.
Bye.
Give him one karate chop.
Hey.